Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Nyan Plays, and yeah, before I start this video, I just wanted to say this video is going to be about fidget spinners. Now, I know they might be a little bit old. They might have gotten a little bit old, but for me, I love them a lot. So, yeah, stay with fidget spinners. They're awesome. So, yeah, I wanted to make this video on rating fidget spinners and seeing how good they are in all my fidget spinners. So, let's get straight into this video. Yeah! Okay, anyway, please subscribe, please like this video, and yeah, let's jump right into this video. Yeah. We could just cut that out. Okay, anyway, guys. Okay, so first up, this is my fidget spinner. Now, think about this fidget spinner. Thank you for getting this for me. You know who you are. Okay. The bearings literally don't fit inside here. So one day I thought, oh, let me take out these bearings just for fun. I'll play with the bearings. But guess what? They came out completely. If I try to put this inside, it will immediately fall out. Like, look. It won't stay in. I don't get this. If it spins, it'll go everywhere. You ready? Watch this. And then it wobbles. And also, there's no way to put this stupid bearing in, but it's a good emoji. Look at this emoji. It's the best emoji ever. Kind of. Well, it's a good emoji. So on the bearings for this is such cute bearings. So for the cuteness of the bearings, I'm going to rate the bearings a 3, but the way that they fit into the fidget spinner and work the fidget spinner, I'm going to have to rate that a 2 actually, because it doesn't even fit inside. So I should be rating this a 0, but how could you say no to this face? Okay, anyway, next fidget spinner! Okay, so we're going to put that one to the side because we already did that one. And I have 2 fidget cubes, and you are going to see the 2 ones later. Stop. Okay, so anyway, I know we're starting off with a, kind of boringish start because these are like the common fidget spinners I'm going for first. Okay, next up, we have just a regular, just black fidget spinner with pretty good bearings, so these ones aren't going to pop out unless you actually pop them out. But this one has a lot of speed. Let's see. Oh. See that? Look at that. Oh, jeez. I used to be able to switch it between 2 hands to the other hand and do it behind my back. But I know how to go like that and then that, but I used to know how to do that. It's like a trick. Okay, hold on, you ready? That's an easy trick. Waha! Yeah! So this one is very fast. The bearings are great, and that's why it makes it fast, because of how heavy and big the bearings are. They're gonna make it go, weigh it this way. So then it goes even faster, and yeah, get it? So the way you spin it is also really fast, and then plus the bearings being heavy and going like that is making it even faster. So it's weighing it down to go that way, like that. Anyway, this fidget spinner, these bearings, I'm gonna have to rate it an 8 because of how good these are. They're weighing it down, but this fidget spinner is pretty heavy. Now, I like the way it feels. It's pretty smooth. Also, it's pretty smooth, though pretty rough. But yeah, for the actual fidget spinner, the whole fidget spinner itself, I'm going to have to rate it an 8. This is a very cool fidget spinner. It's just a plain old black fidget spinner, you know. Nothing really so special and so cool. But yeah, this one, oh, and tell me what you guys would rate. Tell me what you guys would rate each round, okay? So this was round 1. Tell me what you think. Round 2, you get the whole idea. So you're going to tell me what you think you should rate these. What, 1 out of 10. Either one. Okay, anyway, next we are going to go... This one's actually really cool. This one I'm probably going to save for last because that one's pretty cool. Let's see. I'm going to actually do this one. It's not really the coolest. It says an ultimate spinner, but it's a plastic fidget spinner. I know. It's crazy, huh? It's like an actual, no, like seriously, like actual plastic. It's not like these like actual metal ones. See that? And it's like, it runs very smoothly, so I'm very happy about that. See that? We're just gonna cut that out, you know, because, okay, anyway, this one, it runs very, very, very smoothly, so I'm going to rate this one like a 6, I would have to say, because it's like pretty boring. Actually, no. I'm going to rate this one a 7 because of how smooth it is, but it's not really the most fun fidget spinner, but it's pretty cool. So I'm going to rate this one a 7. Tell me what you rate this one in the comments below. Okay, next one. This one I actually got from Florida. And it was actually from a claw machine, kind of. I don't do those things because sometimes they could be a little bit of a ripoff. But I'm not saying don't do claw machines. Claw machines are pretty cool. But I just don't do them because sometimes there's like a 70% chance that you won't get some. I'm just saying, please don't waste your money on all claw machines. But in Florida, the claw machine was only $1, so I was like, ooh, I'll go for it. So there was a lot of things. There was like a hat, fidget spinners. I had my eye on the fidget spinner, and the hat looked pretty cool though too. But I had my eye on this fidget spinner now. Tell me how you think this is gonna be. Do you think it's gonna be fast or slow? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, so these bearings are kind of like the ones you put in your ear, right? Sometimes people do that, like Dan TDM. He has the earlobe thingy-majigs. Yeah, don't do that to your ear. It's not really, it doesn't look fun. Oh, jeez. But this is gonna make it really fast. If you guessed fast, then you got that right. I would not want to be putting my finger near here while this is in mid-spin. Or like if you have like those air things, if it's like spinning really fast. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my word. Okay. Oh my. Huh. Okay. So you ready? It runs so fast. Like if I try to stop it, it's gonna hurt so bad. That's why you gotta go like that. You gotta grab it. And then it won't really hurt that much. But I'm actually gonna rate this one a 9 because of how fast and how cool this is and how smooth it is. And just look at those bearings. The bearings are so cool. This is a big fat 9. I'm gonna say that because it's a really good one. I'm gonna actually put these back in their cases when I finish with them. So I just gotta put this in here. Okay, we're done with you. Okay, anyway. Okay, so next one, now we're going into the more cooler ones and like cooler looking ones. Okay, this one is my favorite. Well, not really. I love this one. This one is awesome. Okay, that was nice. I'm not gonna eat this because no. Anyway, it says exactly, choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 6 years. Yo, I'm 5. No, I'm not. I'm serious. I'm not. Don't do this at home. Choking hazard, kids. Do not take a bearing and put it in your mouth. Because that's just won't be safe, okay? You're not going to do that. Please don't. I'm warning you guys. It's not my fault if you do that. It's not. I told you not to. Okay, so this is an amazing fidget spinner. I love this one so much. It's so cool. Okay, so this, it runs so fast. It's so smooth, and oh, this one's like a perfect 10, buddy. I'm rating this one a 10. It's awesome. My favorite color is green, and I love it so much. Okay, yeah, on to the next one. Oh, that way. I'm gonna take my time this time and not rage. Okay, here we go. Ha. Okay. Ha. Remember that. Ha. 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 Remember that Vine if you watched it? Okay, so next fidget spinner is awesome. Is also really cool. So yeah, warning. The following content contains blinding. I'm just kidding, but it's I'm not gonna do that. It's very unsafe. Look at how fast that baby runs. Okay, so this is an amazing fidget spinner. I love this one. This is gonna have to be a 10 for me. So fast, the speed, it's so smooth. I love it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so next one. I got this from Easter. Okay. Baby, oh my God. This one is the one. Look at that. Okay, this one is glow in the dark if you didn't know. We're gonna turn the lights off really quick. You ready, guys? You ready, guys? Let me shut off my TV. You ready? It might just be darkness right now. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh wow, it's not glowing today, buddy. It might say it's glowing in the dark, but it's not glowing today, man. Yeah, so I'm turning back my TV on because this one is not glowing right now. Anyway, this one is going to be a 9 because I wanted it to glow, and it's not glowing right now. It says it's glow in the dark, but it's not glow in the dark, okay, guys? Jeez. Anyway, this is going to be a 9 because of how fast it is and how smoothly it runs. Now, here is the ultimate fidget spinners. Here we go. This is just the beginning. Wow. It is a mini fidget spinner. That's right, guys. Stops pretty early though. If I do it with like all my force, still gonna stop early. Okay, so that's what you get from this guy. I'm rating him an 8. Well, I'm rating this one an 8. Okay, an 8. I'm giving this one an 8 because it's really tiny and it's really cool. I love tiny little things. Okay, next up, we have another mini one. This one is the best. 10, perfect 10. Runs so smoothly, runs fast, is so tiny, and you could literally put it right in the palm of your hands and like you could literally like keep it in your hands like that. It fits perfectly in your hands. This is such a cute little fidget spinner. Okay, that was another fidget spinner. Now next, it looks like a whole bunch, it looks like an anchor. Oh my goodness. Guys, this one's a... Okay, this one's a 10 for me. I gotta say, this one's a 10 for me. Okay, so this one is a 10. Okay, that's a 10. Okay, so now I need to calm me down. Ooh, that actually does calm me down. Fidget Cube is very calming. You'll see that after though. Okay, now. Okay, this one is poo-poo, so I'm not even going to show this one. It's such a big, like, ninja star one, and it's not an actual one, please. It's just a fidget spinner. Look, you want me to prove it to you guys? Yeah. It might look so tiny, but guess what? It's not. It's actually this big. I can hardly even spin this fidget spinner because it always gets stuck because of how big it is. If I go like that, I could. This one is a biggie. So,